Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Warak Enab. We'll begin by selecting the freshest grape leaves, ensuring they are tender and vibrant. Then, we'll prepare a rich, aromatic filling using a blend of rice, ground meat, and a medley of traditional spices. Next, I'll guide you through the art of rolling each leaf into a perfect, compact cylinder. Finally, we'll explore the gentle simmering process that transforms these ingredients into a truly exquisite dish. Let's dive into creating the heart of our Warak Enab, the filling. Start by thoroughly rinsing about 2 cups of short-grain rice until the water runs completely clear. Then, in a large bowl, combine 1 pound of your preferred ground meat, either lamb or beef, with the prepared rice. Incorporate 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh parsley and 2 small diced tomatoes. Finally, season this mixture generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a fragrant pinch of allspice for that authentic taste. Now for the delicate art of rolling. Take a single grape leaf and lay it flat on a clean surface, ensuring the shiny side faces down and the stem end points towards you. Place approximately 1 tablespoon of the prepared filling near the base of the leaf. Carefully fold the bottom edge of the leaf up and over the filling. Next, fold in both the left and right sides towards the center. Finally, roll the leaf tightly from the bottom all the way to the top, creating a compact, uniform cylinder. With all your Warak Enab rolled, it's time for the final, crucial step, cooking. Carefully arrange the rolled grape leaves snugly in layers within a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Pour over them a liquid mixture consisting of 3 cups of water, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To keep the leaves submerged and prevent unrolling, place a heat-proof plate directly on top. Simmer on low heat for approximately 2 hours, or until the leaves are wonderfully tender and the rice is perfectly cooked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.